You can eat right, you can work out, you can take the best supplements in the world. But if you skip sleep, it's like running a company with no boss in charge, just chaos. Sleep is the boss. It's the one calling the shots behind the scenes, organizing your brain, repairing your body, balancing your hormones, and resetting your mood. And get this, sleep is also the save button. Everything your body did today, you learned something, sleep saves it. You worked out, sleep builds the muscle. Process stress, sleep helps you handle it tomorrow. But don't sleep? Well, hope you don't like progress, because your body just hit delete instead of save. So let's break down why sleep isn't just important, it's essential, like water, like air, like charging your brain's batteries. So why does sleep matter? Sleep isn't just about resting. It's when your body turns into a superhero repair shop. At night, your brain cleans itself and organizes memories. Your muscles and tissues start healing, especially after workouts or stress. And your metabolism resets, helping you manage weight and blood sugar. Now, without sleep, your brain stays messy. Your body doesn't heal right, and your hunger hormones go wild. You crave junk food even when you're not hungry. If you're trying to heal, lose weight, think clearly, or just feel human again, sleep is step one. And what exactly happens during sleep? Sleep isn't just one long nap. It's more like a roller coaster with different loops and turns. There are two types. We have REM sleep, which stands for rapid eye movement. And that's when you dream and your eyes move quickly. And next we have NREM sleep, which stands for non-rapid eye movement. Now that's the deep, restful sleep that helps your body heal. You cycle through both types about every 90 minutes, like laps on a racetrack. About 75 to 80% of your sleep is NREM. Around 20 to 25% is REM. You need both. One feeds your brain, the other repairs your body. Did you know that there are brain benefits to sleeping well? Think of your brain like a backpack full of stuff you collected all day. During REM and deep NREM sleep, your brain empties the backpack. It sorts the junk from the important stuff, and it locks in what matters, like memories, unique skills, and new info. With no sleep, there's no memory glue. If you want to remember what you studied or want to keep that great idea you had today, you need sleep to save it. When you get good, restful sleep, your body benefits dearly. You see, tissue repair and weight balance happens while you sleep. At night, your body releases growth hormones, and it's like a magic repair crew. It fixes your muscles, it repairs tissues, and it keeps your immune system strong. And your metabolism? Sleep helps it stay sharp. Skip sleep and your body will burn fewer calories, store more fat, and crave sugar and carbs like crazy. Trying to lose weight without sleep is like trying to rebuild a sandcastle while the tide is coming in. Do you know that there are herbal helpers you can take for better sleep? If you have trouble sleeping, don't worry. Mother Nature gives us some great tools to help. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen that helps lower stress and calms your immune system. Think of it as the chill out herb that helps your body stop feeling like it's stuck or in go, go, go mode. Then we have reishi mushrooms. This mushroom helps settle your body and mind, like a gentle nighttime blanket for your stress. It also supports your immune system while you sleep. Next up, valerian root. This helps boost GABA, which is a brain chemical that makes you feel calm and sleepy. Kind of like turning down the volume on all your racing thoughts so you can drift off. Used for centuries, chamomile is a natural herb known for its calming effects. It helps relax the nervous system, which is why it's often found in teas designed to help you sleep. Then we have lemon balm, which is part of the mint family. But instead of waking you up, it helps chill you out. It's great for calming anxiety and helping your brain relax before bed. Now, this last one is not an herb, but it's super important: magnesium. This mineral helps your muscles relax and can help improve the depth and quality of your sleep. Think of it like a bedtime switch that helps your whole body ease into rest mode. And here's a bonus tip. For improved sleep quality, consider drinking an herbal tea containing chamomile, lemon balm, or passion flower approximately 1 hour before bedtime. Eliminating screen exposure and external stimulation during this Bedtime helps promote natural melatonin production and prepares the body for restful sleep. Remember to check with your doctor before starting herbs or supplements, especially if you're already on medications or have health conditions. Now let's get real. If you're skipping sleep, you're skipping healing. You're skipping brain power. You're skipping progress. Sleep is not lazy, it's powerful. It's the reset button your body and brain need every single night. So tonight, put your phone away, turn off the lights, and let that boss go to work. And now you know the rest of the story, but it's what you do with this information that counts. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you picked up some tips that you can actually use. If you want to keep learning, your next video is waiting for you right here. And hey, if I've earned it, hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow.